clean vehicle history. No accidents, recent trade-in, satellite radio, leather, heated seats, one owner, and AWD. Don't pay too much for the beautiful-looking SUV you want. Come on down and take a look at this wonderful 2013 Cadillac SRX. It is nicely equipped with features such as alloy wheels, Bose Premium 8-speaker audio system feature, rear power liftgate with memory heights, split folding rear seat, and telescoping steering wheel. This outstanding Cadillac is one of the most sought-after used vehicles on the market because it never lets owners down. Try and get behind the wheel of the SRX today. We are just minutes from Hurricane, West Virginia, South Point, Ohio, and Ashland, Kentucky.